Hi, you are welcome again to Advanced Me, where you transform today, advance tomorrow. Still on the series, the Excel Dictionary. In today's episode, we'll be looking into how to combine the if function and the and function. Please like, share, subscribe, most importantly, click on the notification bell for more videos of it. Alright, let's get started. Combining the if and the and function allows you to create formulas that evaluate multiple conditions. Okay, like I have some example here in my display. I want to combine both the test scores and the seventh and the exam scores for people in a particular class to see if they meet up with the cutoff. Okay, so this is what you do. Equals to if, click, double click, and include the and function. Then you pick this greater than for the test. Let's say 15 is the cutoff, comma, and click on this. For this over 70, let's say 40 is the cutoff, and close brackets. Then we input our statement pass, then comma, then we have fail, enter, then we drag down. So we have some students here, they meet up with the cutoff, and some didn't meet up with the cutoff. You can easily filter this, just Ctrl Shift plus L. Then you can select the one that is applicable to you, pass, or use the field. So clear filter. I'm going to have to remove the filter for now. And I have another example here. So you have some staff in your organization and you want to determine, according to their performance, those who are eligible for bonus. You get, and you can as well use the if and function. Okay, equals to if, double click, and double click, then you select this greater than 5. Let's say 5 is the lowest expected from each staff. So comma, and the income expected from each staff too. Let's say the income expected is 2,500. Then close bracket. Then we add our statement, and that's eligible. That means the one eligible to eligible, then comma, and ineligible. Ineligible, and close bracket. So you drag down. So now some of the staff are eligible to the bonus and some are not. To easily filter, you can easily filter this to determine the position of the report. Eligible, then, and you can filter out those who are not eligible. Voila, your report is done. Thank you for watching. Please do not forget to like, share, subscribe, most importantly, click on the notification bell for more videos of it. See you in the next video.